Greetings, fellow YouTubers. I want to welcome you to the Josh Gentry Ministries YouTube page channel, and got a little bit of a different video for you today. I wanted to do a DIY how-to pallet pen and show you how I built a pallet pen for our dogs. Like I said, I know a little bit different than what I normally post on here, which hasn't been for a while. But I just wanted to get this up here for the viewers to see and kind of give a little bit of tips on how to do that. But this by no means is it a professional job. I did this as cheap as I possibly could, and I would say overall I got maybe about $200 total wrapped up in it. It's been up for a little while, and of course with dogs you have to kind of make improvements here and there, but before I get to showing you, I want to share a word with you out of the book of James chapter 1. The Bible says that if any man lack wisdom, let him ask of God, that gives to all men liberally and upbraideth not. And really, my wife and I, we had our dog Judah, and we were trying to figure something out. Couldn't really afford to put up an actual fence, and so we were trying to figure something out, and all of a sudden I believe God gave me the wisdom one day and said, put together a pallet pen. So that's what I want to show you today. And just real quick, I want to take you around, but you can kind of see what I did. I don't know if I can turn this around, but what I did was I took T-posts, drove them in the ground, and set the pallets over it. That's all I did. And once I got the pallets in, the pallets got screwed together. I had some deck screws. So I initially had just had the pallets by themselves up, but our dog, he's pretty big. He probably stands over 6 feet tall on his hind legs, and of course he jumped right over. So yeah, and then what I did was I went back, kind of reinforced it, started using a Sawzall, cut some pallets, cut those out, cut the boards out, and just kind of tacked it up, like I said, with deck screws. I am by no means a carpenter or anything of the sort, but still, like I said, I believe God gave us the wisdom to put this thing together. And of course, you got to come back here and clean stuff up. But I think my measurements total are about a 20 by 35. And so yeah, had a dog house back here, but our big dog, he broke through the top. So, but just wanted to show that and share that with you. If you got a question about anything, leave a comment. The gate I put together, went to Home Depot, got some hardware, had this pallet, and it was a short pallet, and it just worked out enough. So I got some hardware from Home Depot, put the little latch on there, and this wire fencing stuff I got from a friend of ours. So, but just wanted to show that to you. And if you got a question, leave a comment, try to get you through there and respond. But also had to put some pallets down because they started digging, of course. But yeah, we keep them back here. We've got 3 dogs. One is his name's Judah. He is part Pyrenees and he's actually part wolf. And we've got another dog that's Malamute, and we kind of put them back there. Our Malamute, she's good at getting, she's our #1 escape artist. But yeah, hope that helps you guys out there. DIY, how-to pallet pen, that's what I call it. And yeah, if you got questions, leave a comment, and Lord bless you.